I not come here come curse this evening. So people will say I come curse. You know, say I say my curse they worry them for body, so I not decide. I not need to curse them again. I don't need to curse them again. But I will say the truth where people know me put the way my papa they train me say the truth, only the truth will set you free. He say when I not talk lie, they build house. He say when I not talk lie, they buy my property. How are you, my son? Okay, thank you. Blue water. Blue water. Might put on for here first. Make cool. He say when I not talk like they buy land, when I not talk like they do anything when they do for life. He say what I not fit do for money, I go do one for evening. Many have advice about them. He say na case. Now I want to turn to big man. But I dey pity for people of this world. They don't know. I know they live fake life. Now see when I call this social media, when they bring me come. Now woman run leave me. Thank you. Now woman run leave me when I cry, cause me they bring picking for me. I tell her I say na one room. Now me with my brother they stay. I not tell her. I tell her I say na about 6 rooms. My papa built 6 rooms. I tell her the village when I for come. I know they live fake life. I not be a daze. I be farmer picking who you bubu. But instead that of bubu where my papa be, so my papa na headmaster. Now let me want not go school for my papa picking. Wait till make me not go school. When our papa, my grandfather, he last born, he finished school for Unibon, but not see work. He can't join me to farm for village. Now make me not go school. I said I don't go. My papa said they go laugh me with school. He said when I not mad them. Say when I can't do what I want to do for the world. Now they do today. You know, say human being, they like if they tell them the truth, they go the form, say that they not truth that they talk. And they know say not the truth they tell them all. Wait till make me come this evening. The time when this I bring this mama go matter come, when I go call the husband come out for his house. Wait till I'm not sure. I know they put one. Many presenters, they call they insult themselves when the cost go buy them. It go worry their house. It go worry their senior picking. It go worry their last picking. Wait till make me come now. Wait till me do before I go return now. Make waiting mama go like pass. Me not gonna worry am. Now no say I do video, I say me papa go they pray. Me they pray. Because person like me, anything when I join for Benin, before I come out, the law will they give me the same when they tell the truth. Any person will can take that and swear for me, where I know say not truth. After 5 years, for the thing when I do the day when mama go come swear for my platform, it is so asigidi. It is so sokbikan. Now look, Bonnie no swear that day. After 2 days, I can't come at me, papa, go they pray. They say na woman. Now I know what they buy picking. Now woman know what they buy picking. They say they not sleep well. Now person hand they take draw. Make una go call Sagwe for me. Wait till I do, na 300 I want to return the cost. I tell una say Sagwe, una come confess. Some of those women waiting for social media, they call the clap and follow you. It be like as I tell people say they'll come confess now. For waiting they tell me. They carry me go courts. So people they say if I go Nigeria, they go arrest me, they go buy me. Make una let and reach that day. I always say, we say. Now waiting they tell me now I talk come out. I know if it dey alive. Man go dey punish my fellow man. My fellow man go dey cry. My fellow man go dey cry. I go dey happy, seeing a good thing I dey do. As me, Prophet Atiti, I know the ground. I know if it dey alive, Papa I go dey cry. Or with those that find a wife, find a favor from God. Marriage, you get the way God take make marriage where all of una dey scatter today. Where all of una dey scatter. Not be man drive una. You got the word take click marriage una no know. Many of una don't know meaning of marriage. They born, they dey for man house. Now many of una dey for husband house. He said what God has joined together, no man should put asunder. Any man that put asunder, thunder must strike that man, whether good or bad. If you not strike him for morning, go strike him for evening. He did for side Bible. Now we know how to read Bible. We're not going to look the verse one at the quote one and because of money, the new generation that we have today, because of money, they are misusing their life. Not only man, woman drive, now if you marry for house. And I wait till my papa tell me, be like say my papa say, I go work and see her for front. He say any woman drive, if I put her for that woman misbehave, he say I suffer that woman will die put. In with the man, we want to go marry because the husband look her, he drive and come up for us, I pack her at the house. My papa don't tell me that word. Be like say my papa say, I go be like say I go waka meet her for front. I don't know say I come waka meet with my papa tell me. My papa went by on Friday. I call him for Thursday. I say tomorrow I'll bring money for you. That night they can go hospital. I say my pikin, you don't come meet me again. I don't know what you take on me. He said, you know if we come my burial. I don't know. They seized my paper. Now this year, now I go do my papa remembrance. Anything I take do, I go do one. I love my papa so much. Anything my papa tell me, they come to pass. Because here we kwenye, now you be. What it make me there here this evening? I'm not going to insult any man. I'm not going to insult any woman. They swear with their mouth. They say mama, they know what they buy picking. This mama go matter. He did for Facebook for more than 3 years or 2 years. Nobody fit draw the come out thing. When I come and say they'll come confess. Today, many of you don't see the light. Mama go. Now what you buy, now you pay for. This mama go, you cut land for man. You say they seize the house. The man say the man do evil thing. You say they seize the house, mama go. You know what is the time when I come to ask you that one. But wait till I come for this evening. The swear where you swear for my platform. Many I see her. Many I see the swear where you swear. You see how Sigidi I go enter your house. You see how some can I go enter your house. After you swear that swear, I call Papa I go. I say me they pray. Because why I can't remember you now, I get forgiving hearts because of Papa I go. Wait till I do when I take return the course. The color when me with you chop together, when you know say that the two you do and you take and the swear for my me. A man don't want bog boy anyhow. But he wait me, I don't do what I want to do. I don't do what I want to. Mama ego. Osagwe. You see the way you take foolish or way you stupid your life today. Wait till you want to tell those children where you born, wait till they punish Papa ego today. Wait till you want to tell them tomorrow where all those audios will full outside today. Because of man, you drive your husband. You try to treat your husband. Man, when he go jail, when he suffer because of you. Mama ego. Why women know they remember good what man do for them. But if they do good for man, they go narrate the man. Where some of these women know they remember good what man do for them, the way man take the stand for their life. Man, when he do heaven and earth for you, they drop her because of tongue. And you will swear for your household. The water we will drink together. You swear for your household. As I like you rich, when I want swear, I call you, say, Larry. The only weakness is swear, and he can't swear now. And the weakness, I know, is 2 weeks. Everywhere scatter. I go call your husband, come up for his house, tell him, see what did happen. The next thing you come my platform, the whole world saying that day, they swear as Sigidi. You say, I saw Puken, I know Boni, you don't swear that day. The day when they put you for this court or this society, they say, Mona, they taught truth. They say if you see your brother or you see your sister not doing evil, but if you see truth, talk the truth. Only the truth. Okay, I'm a mere fan. Mama go, you come out that day and they find the video since we this was Sigidi. When I call plan for people, I don't call Suzu since. I call her. This will not be Mama go who all of them they support before. But when I don't see the shame and disgrace now. The time when I talk on, I say me, Atiti na evil, Atiti no good, Atiti no good. But when I don't see her today, if I talk word, don't believe me. As I talk and I say they be. When I don't witness many one. I don't be person where they take play. The man say I don't go school. I know the person where they take big joke. Mama I go. When I play audio when I see. When I plan for you, make people listen. When I plan for you. Mokbe. So if you want to talk me, no problem.
Fakilare méjì bọ́lá sẹ́ńtẹ̀ mẹ́rin aláwọ̀ sáfẹ́ni nìyí ni wọ́n ti wẹ̀ ní ìbá wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀wọ̀ rẹ̀ lára wọn máa ti wẹ̀ ní ìbá. Fakẹ́ ẹ lọ ẹ ó yẹ kí láti pa so àwọn wà wẹ̀ yẹn náà ọ̀sìn mọ́lẹ̀ ìlú rẹ̀ máa ń fẹ́ ìwé understand yẹn náà. Wọ́n wọ́n ẹ̀rí lọ pé kí ẹ tó tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ ní àwọn ọmọ yìí ẹ̀yìn méjì wọn náà ìyẹn rẹ̀.
This mama I go. Who see this mama I go no fear now? Mama I go na evil one I don't know. You know say I dey study everybody for the world. Mama I go we go dey chop you, teaching na your friend. Mama I go dey chop you, teaching na your friend. You know say na me na person wey if they follow person for waka, I go foolish for the person. You defend me. Anywhere you go, you know if you defend me. You go past a place, you know if you defend me. You go past a prophet place, you know if you defend me. You go native doctor place, you know if you. Because I believe myself too much. I know to do evil. But if you want to try to do me evil, I go tell you, say, before they go answer you for where that place where you want to call my name, they go answer me first. If I dey talk of people say, I dey proud, or I go quiet the look. But when the time go reach, you know say na prophet Atiti you jam. Mama I go. You know since I don't talk to you since then. After when you swear Sigidi, I'm not going to talk to you again. When you come my platform, come swear Sigidi. I'm not going to talk to you again. I come quiet. I let them my yoga say, "Here my car for your car." Today now you just wait till audio where you take the beg. Man, where you swear say you not sleep with, you gonna swear Sigidi for your household. After you swear Sigidi, what did I tell you? After you swear Sokukan, what did I tell you? I'm not gonna answer you again. I'm not gonna answer you again. I only do video, tell Papa I go make the pray for a children head. Because Mama I go, you don't do the forbidden thing we're not supposed to do. So my people, make una share this video, make it go viral. I not come here, come curse you. But there are the way you swear for the whole world, where the whole world see, where the people can see. When you swear that I go put that for my page. May all your members see him. Although my papa tell me say I shall not do good thing. They are my warrior. I know they use that word again, but I want you all to remember people. My papa said that they talk verbally and they talk like too much. If Okpo want go friend man, he want leave man go friend man. If he tell that man lie, that man go believe. That man no say he gets some man where you go jam. Because of because what you want to do, you take your head, you won't tie. You won't tie. Mama I go. Osagwe. No ye victory, the victory igbe agari van. I'm market today. As I like you read before, I asked you question for his house. I don't know the truth before I come to ask you question. I will tell you, the day when I ask you question, he like you egbe. I ask you question, he like you egbe. You want to go tell people, say me come they toast you. He like you egg he toasting in here. You want to tell people say me come they toast you. As I ask you question, Rich. I tell people make they not insult you again. When this matter come out, I go to ask question. After this man don't come out for your husband come there, come spend 3 months. He come spend 3 months for your house. The same house where this man come to sleep with you. December, Papa I go, I take her like my father. December, now so this man they call, was night Christmas, he call me. We get a day for line plus more than 1 hour. Now New Year Day we did for line more than 1 hour with a joke like father like papa. After your husband come off, I still call you, ask you question. I'm more boring to tear ball. Go big go juju me, you can't swear. You say you no go swear. You say na church you dey go. You wait say you call they advise people for the word. Now which advice you want give people? Wait there for husband as we call they wash you. The way people wait there for husband as today call they wash you. If people wait there for husband as today call they wash you, mama I go and the press I like your thing for you. Now abomination they carry they enter their house. A remarried woman, married woman where man put money for her head. For this atrocity where you do so where they fly for outside so. If they come the press I like your thing for you, or come they give you flower, they carry forbidden food enter their house. They don't know that one. Because my papa tell me say, "Here we no man, na the hour, na the hour. Na go back to you, na you back in tap when enyanji." Make the take man turn to slave, na the day. Man will not go do slave for them. The money as the man go good rich, they cannot, they go, they find mumu day where they do slave. Also, where mama I go. There are the way you swear for the whole world now. Say I go buy you. The truth when I tell now, where the same when I change for evil things, and I make women they go they run for me. So they go reach my girlfriend, all of the run. They say they swear for me. They are the way you swear for me now, we make that one run now. Not be you, not be your ass. They are they go now. Amanyang ayawese, imam yego, egyobogbe. You know not see where they don't carry my name go juju. Native daughter, the native daughter, I bring her and call disgrace for live video. You know see her. Because if I dey talk, I dey say the real truth. It be like Monica Ato and I say me go give Dumezedo Pikin. Not truth. Not truth. Make una share the video, make it go viral. I dey come, be like say something dey bomb. Go off and be like say dey go off. The day when I fear this mama I go, he get one lady when I dey talk to, when I dey toast. That those time. The day when I see mama I go with her for line, when they come ask me question. Now that I fear this woman, this mama I go will be evil. Now that day I fear this mama I go. This mama I go. When you go to talk to her for line, go they put another person for line, make they listen to you. Make una run for them. Make una run for am. I tell you, I said that boy go to beat you. When I go to watch my far video, all my past video, I say go to beat you. What did they happen today? What did they happen today, Mama Ego? No, the question when I ask you, Mama Ego now, whose people you want to motivate for the society now? Now condemn women like you. If me get woman for us today, Mama Ego, I put money for her head. Any day they come, I see and say they wash you, now that they come out from my house. Because no good thing where they will learn for your hand. Now to corrupt the society now you day. Mama Ego, you need to be ashamed of yourself. You know, see the shirt one of that they give me. Sometimes they'll come to say, oh, you're below your low cocoa. Some people come to say, oh, yeah, some people come to say fake life. I know they live fake life. People know me. Now the reality. Some people say I not builders. But I thank God for these 9 years. We woman take come on, leave me. Wait till I not get before. God take and bless me. Me with anybody not do competition. I'm not telling you I be house now. But if I go Nigeria, if I not marry for here today, I marry for Nigeria, I'll see house put on. I go see house put the woman. I'll see you put stuff for front of the house. Make they say. I'll see if now small car I'll give from my mama's sister, my sister picking. Make the drive anywhere they go. I go dey pay a salary every month, even at 300,000. I go dey pay every month. My brother, my sister picking. Now your salary be this. If they go toilet, stand for the month. If you want to sleep in the evening, call. If phone, make the day for parlor. Now what I need, now I go do that woman for my house. For me to marry stupid woman like you. You know, see all of my character today. Now not if you stay with boyfriend. Now not if you stay with man. Only the foolish men will come to buy engagement ring because they know what they find that they deceive you now. None of the feel they stay with. They'll pretend. The time we don't show their character 2 years time, 3 years time. You go back saying that the man when they talk. Let better pass. You have nowhere to find yourself that time. But anyway, Mama Ego, there sigidi when you go swear now. You know say, here we yomo, mama, no they take ojuju. Iyomo egbu webo. Iyomo egbu webo. Ne boy do gbo mo. They are sigidi when you swear for the world now today. Who they are sigidi one worry now? You see what I mean? You see the last day when you swear sigidi for my platform, I not talk to you again today. People they expect us call they talk. I not gonna talk again. I quiet since then. We they forbid something for each other. What do they forbid for each other? Mama Ego. Where do they forbid for each other? I dey ask a question. Mama Ego. Because of the love when I get for your husband. Wetin go lost you for wetin you do. Now wetin you like pass, na go lost you. I don't see the video now. Wait, this was Sigidi. I don't follow my phone this morning. I don't see when I go plan to the Sigidi members. When I go plan to Ogidian members. Are you we see? Obviously, that's the one time away. I get ball away because in no way no. I supposed to come out now. I call the lake occurs upon you. All the old juju waiting for being one call the take one the lay and put for your head your family house. I will not do that. Wait till I do. I want me to work. You know, see how to wicked. Man, where you grieve for. You want to take land 10,000 near your house. He say you know do again. The house with the land, with the man be for the house. The man say that one a bad person, you seize the house. You even go the talk say they send that one wife, may come worry am. Because of Ekia, now make you the cry. I tell people, say Ekia biye go Vienna. Ekia biye go Vienna. No one believe me. When your husband cut off from a platform, when I call and say, see what you do, many presenters come to swear for themselves. Who are you have here, Bola? A new generation was me and a prophet Atiti. No, what me say? Why you give you la wa? Why you give you la wa? Mama ego. Mo play the audio. I be no want to play people's voice on my platform. I be no want to play people's voice on my platform again. What did make me come plan this evening? I can't ask you, Mama ego. The Sigidi way you swear. The Osokpika way you swear. The Ogidian way you swear. When you swear that for that cool evening for my platform, since that they are not talk to you again. Since that they are not talk to you again, I go do what I want to do for my stone side. I call Papa ego. I went my why we make go. We should forbid something for each other, Mama ego. You want to tell the world. Here with your mom, you and my papa tell me say Ashawo no they do good thing for society. I don't want to use that word again because of this accident, the way you swear. They make me use it this evening. People of the world, now Mama go and talk to you waiting for a SARS, no verse put for the matter when I the word when I they use. Mama go. That night where you swear for yourself, where you swear for your household, I will want to plan. I'll go plan to my stone side. I don't pay plan for my stone side. I don't plan today. I'll still go plan. Find out what me. I don't tell people they find me that video. I don't know. I know that song to put. Now you know saying one topic now they put for my topic. I'm not seeing. I'll kind of go show them again. I'll carry your voice. Go give them. Wait till they cry for Ekia. Now because of this one, I so asigidi for your household. You call me beggar. Nothing will not call me that night. You swear for your household that night. It did for the video. After 3 days, that day break, I call Papa Ego. I say me they pray for a treated head. Because I win my wife in Egbe. Mama Ego. What of today market today? As I dey talk, so people say I dey brag. I know they brag. I know they brag. It will be like one woman when I dey advise every day now. Mama, I go say in the go church. I tell you, say your pastor, you know, if you pray the prayer, we go feel affect me. I tell you, say your prophet, you know, if you pray the prayer, we go affect me. If you see get man for your wish for family, you get woman. If they carry my matter is coven. Now my own they'll fair answer before they answer their own. I tell you, this is not a lie. Now woman when he born for me, now many people go see me finish. I walk with your one and walk. Now many people go see me finish. You know be woman wake up. I don't regret them. It is a woman wake up for me no come out. The people when I know for the world today, I don't know them. I've seen you see, the illiterate when I just see be illiterate for his house. But today I'm more than graduate today. I'm more than graduate. The money I did not know how to write, but I'm more than graduate. The way I think advanced today. The people that I mingle with today, they are graduates. Mama, I go. Your household where you swear for. I want be now. When I look for Papa, I go number one, I call him. Whether I go carry phone. I tell him, I say me they pray for a household. Waiting Mama I go do so. Now abomination we're not supposed to do. I dey ask some people questions sometimes. People when you put on for a sigid, we put on for this, they don't tell you rule and regulation when it is. I we say. I know they take a sigidi or so we can or we dey swear for person. I know they try and you want claim what you want try to claim to the world, Mama I go. You want tell they say you righteous. But today we call one look for Papa I go number first. It don't when I don't call and reach. So the all present are going to call Papa I go. When this happen, they're going to call him. They want to try to confuse them. Make una fear all those women waiting for social media where they don't do okpo, eh? They're not still tools for their mouths. With this man number. It be like what did they tell me today? What did they tell me when I can't talk comments? When I know say they don't carry me go court. People say a lie. But when I don't see the confessions most, they never confess finish. If I don't say 5 years, if I did draw something, 5 years, then we tell you see the results. 3 years plus, now me they plan to go as this year. They go send person jail. But some people they talk about it is they want send jail. Make una let them read that time. Winners among the people who run no chichok will rub and come up for side court. If you not time and doctor, and the one way they talk to the one and they see today, it is different from my own. Now wait here, hear. Now make me call Mama I go. Come swear, you say no swear. Go do what you want, you say no, you say you not do it. But today people don't say you do it. No woman for this earth Even though your husband come stand for top of man there on top, he don't quick and wear pants. The woman dey deny o. Except na camera na video am. All of na wey be woman, I know that one say na truth at the thing they talk. Wetin they tell me when I talk come out, now they carry me go court for Nigeria. So the girlfriend go the 30 person there, yeah, I'm over Nigeria boy. So the brother go the 30 person for Nigeria or more Nigeria boy. Friends go the 30 person, yeah, I'm over Nigeria boy. Mark Bowan. Eh, not time the one way they tell me for my body, now me want swear by myself for that one. Adabi, you Adabi. The road when it close, now I want to swear for that one. Except they'll take white cow, now they'll do the sacrifice before I don't swear for that one. But I will message I swear so I sense of people J. If you say Papa go, not be responsible man. Na woman did, na woman jeje. If you follow Mama go to Nushami for court for Lagos. But Papa go start for a ground. Papa go say me come confess. Papa go say me go do the waiting you need to do. Papa go you go that anything God will take and bless you. You will never buy young. Papa go. You are a real man. If now all those men we go the buy artificial ring where they want to engage woman, where they want to deceive woman, he go follow you go court. He go say Papa go say let us go to court. Go and denunciate Atiti in court. Papa go God go bless you. I don't tell you. Say me they pray for your household. Waiting your wife do, you don't do abomination. Waiting not supposed to do, you don't do one. They take a second, they swear. The cola where you eat. They not tell you say the cola made the deny word. They don't tell you say the water where you drink. And wa vinik be the nether on it. Ama when we are Tori. We are with me temata no ra tama we. We never get saggy, be saggy. We never get saggy, be saggy. I will just say we say ego. I don't like to play people voice from my platform again. This small one I just played just now. I don't like to play people voice from my platform again. Anything when I want to talk, I prefer to use my mouth to talk. Because they know words when I'm going to play their people know words when I'm going to play their voice because no truth for those cyberspace. All of them, they find money. They know they say the truth. They are deceivers. If I be person where they find money for those cyberspace to soon and come, I would not be like 4 hours and overbuild. Because people know how they talk truth. People know. People will come try to bribe me outside and will take money. All of them go they run for me. People when they take money now they go they meet. when they want to take money bribe. So go come just say I don't know how to speak Benin. I don't know. I don't log up when I say the little one when I speak. So there's some day for my mates when they born us for that Benin today. They don't know how to speak Koye. Mama, I go. This swear where you swear. As you did we swear tonight that day. I said one for Papa I go no, but not find him again. Me with this man talk. He greet me for Valentine's Day. Wait number. He wish me happy Valentine. Where number come dey now? Valentine now. Valentine always 2 weeks. I don't see a number. I don't see a number. I don't do, since I don't see your number, Papa, I don't do video the first time. Telling me they pray for your household. Because in a wuku, how do you want to wuku? Wuku ain't no more. Some people, what women they do, you go come draw their picking, go back. So you go even buy some picking. I will do more, a Google webo. Ijo mo no enigbe Google webo. Ijo mo no enigbe o ke tie bola ni awunu. Olowo, except no ma enigbe, o tie pakara. Mama I go. There are sigid way you swear now. Because of the truth when I tell you. You do for your household. Ekpa ye ware. Owe ti genge. Owu ma gbayi. We na we. Wa ya me fi amagbon. I know you are very dangerous. You are very wicked. I know that. If I follow person play for 1 month, I don't know the type of person we person be. All the old people, the day when I bring Papa, I go come out, all the old people they swear that they not come shame now. I'll say that they shame as they talk now. I not come insult you this evening. I not come insult nobody. But I can't tell you, say, that day when you carry a cigarette, swear. Now that day, now invite cause enter your house. That day we carry Ogidiante swear for my platform. Now that day you carry cause enter your house. I always say. He got tell me when he tell you that day. Iwo ukamukaga la wagbe. Oye we so no we ya me fiani ya. Even no total ya da if you dey do one make the one where I did video the noise they come out. The noise they come out for video. Be like some way they put Joko for leg if they want to come talk to Atiti. I give you a kaya mo you way. Other Atifuemu, Eru Oboru Owe. Obi Ogbo Godson. Man, when you say they motivate people, every blessed day we could call that video now drink. When I'm good thing they teach people. Do you see a responsible man who can want to address the world? Now drink, now you call the host. Now if that's what call a big boy. You are just misbehaving in the society. If you don't see tell you, I will tell you the truth. Man, we know the work, where they break it, why would they go work? Woman, they feed them for his house. That's when I will call it, tell me Atiti saying be man. Man, where they do 419, they play people. We are young winner, the Oku assist him, man. And we are over from January to December, we are winner, where we love him. Because a Bonuya Morag ban very soon. Benny Tanya, only they don't come in where Iwaya. Il a terminé des fois. Il a terminé des fois. On n'y a pas ni un gbé qui a. On y va avec qui a oui, but il y a gbé qui a. Oui, il y a fait. So far, il va y avoir aucun pichon. Ni mi pichon ni. Awo wo ko gbogbo ya. Awo wo ko ma gbogbo ya. Emi go gbogbo ya. Wa meje no tinu na o tie, wa me da no tinu o tie yi. When wa mi avec des dana, no fun we puna, avec des destroyer, avec des evoke. Ogun ga gbe lu wa no je lu wa o. Iye go we na atia sigidi. Man go feel boy. E ka gwale no bi yunu ko komone do mo fun wotana. Everything no ba ye wa lost. Ayi mi ropa. E ya wa ya le yi, ayi mi ni no ba ropa. No bu you no go come mama o. Me o. But anyway, be this way na out here. Be this way na out here almost to team. Where Suzuki dey for line today, Suzuki. Now I be calling for line, not carry phone. After I don't finish, now I call me back and I go tell and say, there are sigidi when mama go dey swear that time for my platform saying I go buy am, I go buy the household. How the sigidi come be now? All the old people where the chat call they saw themselves, say I go carry papa, I go come out for his house. I come before on her face, nothing the cost of it all of her house where swear. The cost of it on her house. All those they want to see so they be evil, one and no know. They don't take and destroy their home. If they see other people don't want to destroy them. Mama I go. Yeah, she give the way swear I be now. You also put can way swear I be now. You with the way swear I be now today. I mean, you miss a way say. I will find the video come out tomorrow, carry go my son's side. I'll carry this one, join her, go show them. Before me take phone, go call your husband, come out for his house, come tell her for life. You just say, I don't know what they do. If you say, Papa, go a foolish man, if I join you, carry me go court for Nigeria. Because he's a wise man. Papa, go not demand, he not demand too much thing for your handle. He say, you know, say you don't make mistake. No, go do cleansing. You be see his wife. He don't worry. He love you. He did for inside Bible say if woman commit adultery, if the man still love her, may accept her. If the man don't love him again, if he let her, may go. Very small thing that Papa go demand from you. You say you must see the end of this matter. All the old women will not hear word for their husband house. Now so boyfriend bed night they sleep they go till today. We boyfriend the boyfriend they have here. Yeah, friend don't look pay for pay and move fire and movie. Yeah, friend don't look pay fire and move fire and movie. You get the word God take classify marriage where people don't know. Many words where God used for when way they read Bible, many words. He said those that find a wife, find a good, find a favor from God, find anointing from God. Woman will not hear word for a husband house. Now so boyfriend bed, now go to sleep they go. A bed the boyfriend they have here can't be you. What did they do to their husband? If they don't do it to you before you know say they're not good. They say the character we don't deal with person and they deal with them forever. They only pretend for a while. Mama Ego, you now a day now say you want to advise me young girl with the friend boy. What you go tell her? Because you don't take and spoil your house. You go take and you'll see spoil that one house. You don't go ask to. Let's assume now any girl will call explain to you now saying with the boyfriend gets more class. You know go ask question. You know go call the mama you ask a question. You go to carry man again. You go to carry man again because the man will come bring 50 euro for you. You come buy shoe for you. Egbe okuwa irani mevi egbe ok irani egbe okuwa ya sugbe no manoro iye go the dangerous snake. Just the way you swear now. You're so quick when you swear for my platform. All that day you go, we all that day you go, I know they do something hard because when you swear, that's why I tell Papa I go. I say me they pray for a children head. Because now mama born me. I think one for live video. I can talk and people say Atiti they proud. But when they see the signs and wonder when I they give you, when I they drop, since one I know me, I know the talk word may not come to pass. As I tell Monica, say time will reach. That J boy go the table the beat Monica, go give me to my papa, go give me to my papa. Una go witness her for this live video. Una go witness her. Some people when they carry me the goat course so today. They say Atiti, go thief. After that one, they come up for there. They say, I despoil their name for social media. Where they will talk the exactly truth. Say Atiti, person tell Atiti say he sleep with her. They not take out like that. When they see the confession little, now the confession will come and finish just now. Oh, you got banana at your gunoba. Or you got banana at your gunoba. Why that beg you? Woman with the worst pants, bossa for man. Woman waiting for husband before you call the worst bossa for man. Other hair pants. And the pants, she's good for Yancho. It's not room, it's hair pants. The woman come put soap for that place. Other azoe, other hair panty, other hair bossa. Eya women if you're cut. The moise of one and very good. You swim no time, man. When we are tired, even no waste or but the water jam, man. War me go there, when I win, I'm wa. I got what you wear. Ime do dollar who waji when I am making you a young woman than Nena. Again, there I knew what wa. I knew what one we are done it, now we I do. But the Nena will go wa. Oh, will it come. Oh, while you go to Mugueriane, if we go to Muguariane. Oh, when no man know you boy. You are soon die. If not, see me no one when I carry we said the bomb when I be making a winner. But imagine bomb winner, he gave you a party with Madrid, in a beg you go, Nimatia Farola, not a Tori, a Chorito, Vitali. A little near me, na ya pay over, na ya riva. Upiana be a west mokuna west me. Imagine ya tuta walk back. It bon dazi, ye dag bon with the name. But over no gweme. Uwo balo for 8 years, ye gaji, we friend oku. I was not happy, but now a friend okuna, but okuna beg a woman on my hand. But to come, no go no women yari ekpa, yeri no ma go, ogoga gbo ye no do. I got said, but what's our weakness, Evan? So if you do not work and only see who are ya toy in a guama, why ya be, while your bow in your wa. Imanika, Eika. Iyegu. As it is where it's him, Magmon, and I got Bobo way. Umwe bog say, could work him on up Bobo Lilue. As it is no rap Buluwa. Almost at it billion of Bojon of your hair. If you can get wire. He had a bay with Sokuta evacuation and my Bob Waggy, let them everywhere. Yeah, when it's you know. No winning day, your caddy, no winning woo, your cow. No winning is so ballon will be more so ballon your book kiki. It must so ballon you will be. No, you were not Kelly. Ed down went down, eh? Who got down, eh? Waya bota vera me bije me waya to e na gbon orobo na muri gbèsè tí a rí mọ̀ bò bá mébè bóun lè mú ajé agbọ́nà ọwọ́ robosa ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́yì ọ̀rọ̀ bóun náà múre ọ̀sí ẹni náà yà ó gbọ́ wọn ayé èyí inú tí lọ wọn ó máa pòrò náà ṣùgbó wọn pòrò náà ṣùgbó wá pòrò náà ṣùgbó wọn ni ẹ̀mí náà dá pòrò náà ṣùgbó wọn ó máa ó wẹ̀wí kọ́ ìwé dédé ó wẹ̀wí kọ́ bọ́tùgá wẹ̀wí kọ́ ní mẹ́kí á sẹ́gbẹ́ wẹ̀wú mẹ́wí kọ́ ni mẹ́wí sì gbé mẹ́yà wẹ̀gbé but he carry they not turn. Oyo pe apana wi eje school. O pe apana wi eje school. O wa mi mo ni mai. Awa agman we ban. Igbagbe ran we ya uko ware ni. Ogari aban. Ogariane agbaga gbawe go we church e we na ya upape na go we church ope ani we na ya upape na agbawe ban eje te no ri we pa ya upape na ni e na la ni egbe ban away now on me agbon oya priest so gbogbo ma ya priest awo gbe no ma ogi awa iyan oni ada gbo esesese yi ma we iyan oni ado yi ma fi won dan ma ti o ma dan wo ma be ni ye goga awe wo ma be ge ona ga chasi gidi ejele na wo e ma ya no ga ye ike imi no buwo ibe na ya kama iyan wo to wa zuwa iyan wo ti yego zuwa iyan wo ku dele mu yego ni an tale le na ni ya egiyan to te gbo ni le luwe ho ni egiyan to tale luwe Oma azoku on babe oba nami oso imagu wa ko de who does not serve ya ewu na gbo ni amuru yo me benu ya ki ejo megbere benu wa ya ki ejo megbere ipon wa ya fefefe awi gboka egbo mo no mu ye ko okan wa kini yi me na wi wa igbun wa se ti gbe me igbanu ru wa gbe se ti gbe me azoku gba mu jame ya gbe o gba lórí mú me ni ri ahian ko lórí mú me ni ri ahian benu na bere mata owe mi titi wu repe tu re ma awodu gon ra dole woji Onu junu unuwe muweri ya mamavi. Okewe kosalogwa. Okewe kazoku, okewe kazoku. Okewe kabaname, okewe kakuta. Iga miema tatigata. Awe mata gboma. Mege okbeno uwedene na bi ayo edo. Kinari na gbime. Iya kame biweni ado toni. Ni ado ya modi me yiwa. Many tane ya rekini yo. But they will come across my video one day. For instance. Ama umami ya wiguwa. Mena amo gwa viriri. Oina ame uwabe. Ebeleka. Oga ogida. Ewe no nyake mena gbime. Ibani me do. Ibani ya do kene ya modi me yiwa. Only ma wuni ya muwe you company. Oni ya muwe kini ya muwe you. But ni ya deba ya modi me yiwa. As a euro ni hin. So ale ninu riagbe. Sawe u dazi no bu. Sawe mi ni gba lono da meme. Ege kiri wa ya fe wa ke da mi eme wo me. Wa adi wa mutila wa du mutula lo di wa du ya wizo e. Ege kiro ike. Even aka musa wa do wa gbon awu. Even no escape ese. Osabu awu wo lele mewe to alele mewe. Ohun wa take God forbid kinu yibani. Eji bu efi alase. Wa ji bu efi alase ikwe olele wo kiki. Iye do noro wa awitan ayagwedogun a. Iguye gogun ane. Beno amasi gidi gbegbe. Iveji tan yagwe dogun a. Iveji tan yagwe dogun a. Ive do no ni vie wo me. Owagun agun ayon enyo no gbomi ameze. Ana agun ayon onyo no gbomi ameze. Iviedo ni vie wo ya fe kinu wa rame. Iviedo no meke si. Eromo ijomo igbama no meke si no kuno zinzunu edune o manuwa owe o manuwa wota. Kemikim no iduwa wo ya fe o dazi no bo enikao. Iwa so gbayira gbase yuwa yi. No duwa urioni no make na come to pass in wa no make na come to read in wa. Awen eruniri man na bede agbe ni viedo no ro wa kinorisi no ni no bunye do level yi no ri meke sine o wa ga fure ni ayin. Iviedo no temata ya fe kinu wase kinu warame o wa ga fun wani. Owu wa yiki ogun mere. Uwa ya to ebi na gbo ama wa ya gbe ope le de gbe. Ade mawi ji mu na be na o ke ni mi ni bi de bi ye. Ko sa ko pa ma gime. Ki ya ko pa na ma be so nwe na ni. I give maybe give it. But so with the way to gba a week. Iwa vie kinu we adesin. Otana me have you money yaji when a machine. Ye ki won pa ban ya tan e di mo de vi yo. He said to do fake of job